Ingredients are fine chopped onion, fine chopped tomatoes, green peas, chopped carrot, chopped broccoli, diced paneer, soya nuggets, which I have already boiled in water for 5 minutes and squeezed the excess water out, grated ginger, grated garlic. For the spices, I'll be using cumin seeds, red chili powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, haldi powder, cinnamon sticks, cloves, fenugreek leaves, some milk, oil for cooking, and salt to taste. Let's first start sauteing the paneer in vegetables. Pan is already hot at medium heat. Put some oil. Add paneer pieces. Saute them for some time. Paneer is light brown in color and take them out. In the same pan, add some carrots. Saute them for a few seconds. Add chopped broccoli. Saute it for a few seconds. Add soya chunks, green peas, and cook everything for 5 minutes. Add little salt in between. Don't add too much of salt because we'll add salt in gravy also. You can use different kind of vegetable in this mixed veg. You can use cauliflower, mushrooms, green beans, potatoes, or whatever seasonal vegetable is available at your place. It's almost 5 minutes. Let's take the vegetables out. In the same pan, add some oil. Add cumin seeds, cinnamon sticks, cloves. Saute them for a few seconds. Add chopped ginger, chopped garlic. Saute it for some time. Don't cook too much, otherwise garlic will burn. Add chopped onions. We'll cook it till onion becomes soft and change their color. As you can see, onion has become soft and changed their colors. It's time to add spices. Add turmeric powder, coriander powder, chili powder, cumin powder. Mix everything well. Let all the spices cook for a few seconds. Add chopped tomatoes. Mix everything well and cook till tomatoes become soft. Add some salt. Cover the tomatoes and cook for some time. Stir it in between. It's almost 5 minutes. As you can see, mixture started losing the oil. Make the stove at low. Add little milk at a time and stir continuously. Mix everything well till it becomes thick paste. Make the stove at medium to high heat again and mix the mixture till it becomes thick gravy. It's almost 3 minutes. Gravy have become thick. It's time to add vegetables. Mix everything well. Put the heat at medium to low heat. Cover it and cook it till all the vegetables become soft. Stir the vegetables every 3 to 4 minutes. It will take almost 12 to 15 minutes to cook all the vegetables. It's almost 15 minutes. Let me check the vegetable. Vegetables are soft. It's time to add kasuri methi. Rub the kasuri methi in your palms and spread it all over to get the best flavor. Mix everything well and cook it for 2-3 more minutes. It's almost 3 minutes. Switch off the stove. Mixed vegetable is ready to serve. It looks great. It looks so colorful. Sprinkle some coriander leaves. Mixed vegetable is ready to serve.